Hello children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and safe. So children, today you will follow along in your book as I read, okay? Look, today again I am going to read this storybook and you have to follow as I read. So I hope all of you have this storybook with you. If not, first of all, go and bring your storybook. This storybook. So, I think all of you had brought a storybook, right? Okay. So, and you have to follow as I read this storybook, okay? You have to read the story after me. And while reading, make sure that you are pointing your finger to trace the words, okay? And you have to turn your page slowly and gently. Why you have to turn your page slowly and gently? So your book will not get damaged, okay? And you have to read from your left to right. You have to read from your left to right. So children, turn your pages carefully, okay? And read the sentences from your left to right. You have to point your finger, okay? Oh, let's start. So, what is the title of our story? Okay, read it after me. Tarun and the bird. Okay, turn your page. Okay. Chirp, chirp. Did you hear that sound? Turn your page. Chirp, chirp. Tarun looks around the room. Turn your page. What does he see? A bird that is hurt. Tarun wants to help. Turn your page. The bird hops into his hand. Her feathers feel soft. Turn your page. Tarun pulls out the thorn. Turn your page. She tries to fly but cannot. Tarun puts her back in her nest. Turn your page. Buzz, buzz, bees swarm around Tarun. Turn your page. Bees can sting. Ouch! That hurts. Turn your page. The bird flaps her wings. Shoo! Bees. Tarun runs home to Ma. Turn your page. Something smells nice. Ma has made cookies. Yum! So tasty. Turn your page. He tells Ma all about his day. Okay, children. So, children, were you able to follow my reading? Yes, were you able to follow my reading? I hope you were able to follow. Okay. So, children, the first 4 pages in your storybook is your home fun activity for today. Okay, let me show you the first 4 pages. Look here. This page, this page, this page, and this page. The first 4 pages are your home fun activity for today. You have to read these pages. Okay, you have to read these 4 pages and you have to send the video. Okay? Okay, you have to send a video to me. So this is your home fun activity for today. Okay? So children, that's all for today. I hope all of you had enjoyed it, right? Okay, read this and read the first 4 pages and give it to me. Okay? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.